Decoupage in Europe, from craft to luxury. When decoupage reached Europe, something very interesting happened. What started as a survival practice slowly turned into a symbol of luxury. In this video, we'll talk about how decoupage entered Europe, why it became popular among the rich, and how paper decoration began to imitate expensive hand-painted art. This is the phase where decoupage truly changed its identity. How decoupage entered Europe by the 17th century. Trade routes connected Asia and Europe. Along with silk, spices, and porcelain, decorative paper also traveled west. European traders and artisans were fascinated by the idea of using paper to decorate objects. This technique first became popular in countries like Italy and France, where decorative furniture was already highly valued. But here, decoupage was not used only for saving money. It was used to copy luxury. Why European royalty loved decoupage. At that time, hand-painted furniture was extremely expensive. Only skilled artists could paint detailed scenes, flowers, and landscapes on furniture, and only the wealthy could afford it. So artisans began using printed paper images instead. They cut detailed designs, pasted them carefully, and applied many layers of varnish on top. After several layers, the paper blended into the surface. From a distance, it looked exactly like a hand-painted masterpiece. Many people could not tell the difference. This made decoupage very popular in upper-class homes. Poor man's art. The irony. Here's the irony. Even though decoupage was loved by wealthy households, it was often called the poor man's art. Why? Because it copied what rich people already had, painted furniture, but at a much lower cost. Decoupage allowed people to enjoy beauty without paying for original paintings. So it stood somewhere in between, not fully respected as fine art, but highly admired for its appearance. How this phase changed. Decoupage forever. This European phase was extremely important, because this is where technique became important, finishing became important, and skill began to matter. Decoupage was no longer just cutting and pasting paper. It was about precision layering and making paper disappear into the surface. This laid the foundation for modern decoupage techniques that we use today. So in Europe, decoupage transformed from a basic craft into a luxury-inspired decorative art. In the next video, we'll see how decoupage continued to evolve and how modern techniques changed everything. If you're enjoying this history series, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, did you know decoupage was once used to imitate luxury furniture?